Hey, it's Sammy on June 3rd. We took 4 trades today for 3,469 pips. Spend the next couple minutes. We're going to walk you through how we use data to take each one of these trades. Here's our first trade of the day. This is right after the open. We had long data to go above Friday's close. Now we're rolling right below it, and our short time frame data is lighting up like crazy. Now that the trade's moving pretty aggressive, we're going to move our stop loss to break even to protect our sanity and our equity. We're taking short time frame data near the open. This data will continue to grow throughout the session. Our target right now is today's low of day. We're going to hit that low of day tracer and lock in 931 pips. All right, this is our second trade today. Now you can see we're starting to pick up multiple time frames of momentum. We're locking in that sentiment, and we got that volatility hitting on our 5-minute chart. So we're going to go ahead and re-enter this trade after this little brief consolidation here. Of course, when the trade takes off, we immediately move that stop loss to break even plus 25 to protect our equity. You can see we're really putting that stop loss to use. We've almost hit it 2 or 3 times now. We're just going to have our take profit target right below this weekly pivot. And this data grew and quickly pulled our trade right down to it for 900 pips. Now I know that trade happened really fast, so I wanted to go ahead and drag it out of the trade journal so you could see our entries, you could see our stop losses, and you could see our take profit hit. Hey, it's Sammy on the 3rd, and this is our 3rd trade today. You can see our trade over to the left that we just took. We let the market come back up, but look what happened. All that momentum data kept growing. That sentiment started locking, so we're going to re-enter this short. Of course, we move our stop loss to break even plus 25 to protect our trade. Now we're a little bit late getting in this trade, and we're kind of stalling out right here below this 76.4 Fibonacci. Of course, we want to make our way down to the daily pivot, but we're pretty happy with 744 pips. We're going to go ahead and manually shut this trade down and wait for our next data-driven signal. Hey, it's Sammy again. This is our 4th and final trade. Of course, our last trade ended up shorting much, much further. Look at all that powerful data to the short side. Now, we have a mechanical process to take a reversal trade off the low of day. This mechanical process has 4 qualifiers, and it's backed with short time frame data. So we're going to go ahead and long out of here. And we move our stop loss up to break even plus 25 to protect our trade. We've got our take profit set just below this 50 Fibonacci level. We've had 3 really good trades behind us, so as this trade is approaching 1,000 pips and starts pulling back, we're going to go ahead and lock in 874 pips. The reason we take consistent back-to-back trades is because we're using a data-driven process. If you want to increase your results and your consistency and your wins, you have to use real factual data to pin your performance to. That's why we're able to do this day after day, week after week, month after month, and for years on end. If you're ready to transform the way you trade, book a call. We'll walk you through the process.